All right, part two. Here we go with our song, or the thing that we're kind of building up to that's basically a song. Um, so I did change the clean chords. I simplified. Now, so these are the chords that I want you to get memorized now. So when you make your video, I do want you to play those clean chords. Now, we got bar chords happening for both an A minor and a C major chord. So if you are unable to play those chords, just let me know. Let me know if it's too painful to hold those chords, and then I want to find some other thing that we can do. So if the bar chord is too much, can't do that, that's okay. I'll find something else. But maybe the open A minor chord, that's easy. We'll stick with something like that. So just let me know if you can't do the open chord or the clean chords, and then I'll work around that. But if you can, I definitely want to see you demonstrate those, okay? So that's going to be the only thing different at the beginning here. Everything else is the same, the way the power chords is set up, along with the lead that you learned. So down here, we got the second scale shape being used. And it's really following a similar or the same pattern as the first part. We just put it all in the next scale shape. Power chords are going to follow the same idea. So we got C5 twice down here, starting on that low E string. And then we play an octave higher of the same chord. And then we move over to the A string to start that C5 chord. And then we play an octave higher of that. And then here we got your C major bar chord. And the reason why I'm going with this one right now is because when you play that C major scale, or the C major pentatonic scale, that fits nicely in there. So like that note is in the shape, that's in the shape, that's in the shape, that is in the shape, that is in the shape, that is in the shape. So all of that is within that scale shape. So that's why I want you to get that one down, because it's associated directly with that scale shape. And then that, because, well, that's the most common C major chord, and it will come into play when we get more advanced with our theory, because we're going to do a lot of things with these open chords. And some of the stuff will need to be bar chords, because we're going to be moving things all over the place. Man, we are just getting started. There's a lot of information we get to go over. But we want to get some chords memorized first, because that will absolutely help when it comes time to manipulate things within the chord and build things and change it and all that stuff. So anyway, let's start with the lead. So I'm going to demonstrate the new lead at the 60, of course. And let me get some more volume on this guy. Alright, here we go, the lead section, the new one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start that over again. That did not get muted very well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, something important to keep in mind here. You do not have to demonstrate the lead, the power chords, and the clean chords all at the same speed. Demonstrate those at whatever speed is comfortable for you for each three things. So maybe the lead feels best or feels good at 120. Maybe the power chords you feel good at 140. Maybe the clean chords, something like 80. Pick whatever speed works for you for each individual section. So it doesn't have to be the same speed for everything. Now, that being said, putting the entire thing together, the lead from beginning to end needs to be the same speed. The power chords from beginning to end need to be the same speed. And of course, the clean chords from beginning to end need the same speed. So adjust the speed as you need it to be in order to make it through each individual part as a whole. So, hope that makes sense. Basically, the lead portion, pick whatever speed you want for that. Power chord portion, whatever speed you want for that. Clean chord portion, whatever speed you want for that. It does not have to be the same for all three. That being said, let's go to 60 for the power chords, the new ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. here up to here, it's a bit of a jump. So if you need to cut that chord off a little early in order to get up to this one, that's okay for right now. Because what we want here is to just memorize all these different places for the C chord, or the C5 chord. Now, the C chord, definitely cut that chord short in order to get down here. That's okay. For this sort of thing, that's okay. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and done. Alright, so next week for this, I want you to play all of the lead in your demonstration. So from the very beginning, so the old one and the new one, all of the power chords from the beginning, so all the A5s and the C5s, and all the clean chords, so all of the A minors and all of the C majors. And then you can do this before or after, or its own video. Play the first and second pentatonic scale shapes, just up and down, both of them. And that'll be it for the theory stuff. Okay, any questions, let me know. I will see you again in your new videos.